Is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also hinting a preference of sons over daughters? Not at all. This is a way to counter the argument of someone based on their own principles, meaning even if we assume the criteria of mushrikeen to be correct, that sons are superior, then the association of daughters to Allah makes no sense. And just to get a glimpse of how Islam equates sons and daughters, let's take a look at an incident narrated in Bukhari. Narrated by Amir in Bukhari, he heard Nu'aman bin Bashir, anhu, who is a Sahabi, say, أعطاني أبي عطية فقالت عمرة بنت رواحة لا أرضى حتى تشهد رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فأتى رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم فقال إني أعطيت ابني من عمرة بنت رواحة عطية فأمرتني أن أشهدك يا رسول الله قال أعطيت سائر ولدك مثل هذا؟ قال لا قال فاتقوا الله وعدلوا بين أولادكم قال فرجع فرد عطيته. So the Sahabi narrates his incident, his story. My father gave me a gift, but Amra bint Rawaha, my mother, said she would not agree to it unless he made Allah's Messenger a witness to it. So my father went to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, I have given a gift to my son from Amra bint Rawaha, but she asked me to make you as a witness to it. O Allah's Messenger. So Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam then asked, have you given something similar to every one of your sons? He replied in the negative. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, be afraid of Allah and be just to your children. My father then returned and took back his gift. Subhanallah, look at this example. When Islam is so meticulous in even maintaining equality among children in receiving gifts, regardless of their gender, because Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, be afraid of Allah and be just to your children, there is no distinction of sons or daughters. How can Islam allow any injustice and equality in other aspects of life? So such is the beauty of Islam in maintaining equality even among the children of a family.